Hi YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. This is going to be coming in a later video. This is the speakers I installed on the driver's side, and I just got the passenger side today. My goal though is to finish removing this bearing today. This is how far I got yesterday.
Days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like windshield leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Hi YouTube, sorry about the cutoff. Fortunately, part where it popped was cut off, but this is basically how I have it set up. These are all generic tools, like I said. You can buy this kit really cheap, and if you see, it'll make a loud pop, and then go right through. I'm gonna continue with this. Let's see how long it'll record before it shuts off again. Hi YouTube. I'm back, and it definitely did not take as long as that side did to finish this side. I'm not gonna get too crazy with this, but bearing is replaced. No more play in any of the wheels. And here's just a quick cap of everything I did. I replaced bearing, upper control arm. In the front, I replaced the tie rod, and in the rear, I also replaced two sway bar links. There's like two little tiny links that go down and connect to the lower control arm. So those both got replaced. And the last thing, which I'll show you guys tomorrow, is going to be me installing the speakers on the passenger side.